okay, you know it's whiskey straight, no chases. Yeah, I've been a few places, from Montana to Indiana, these girls know what my pace is. First night with your girlfriend, we ran a couple of bases. Just made it home, I dug her out, then I made her one of my aces. Marijuana fragrance, this tree here is outrageous. Want me to play in your city? Send an email to my agents. I'm working in a studio, I tell my fans have patience, because once I drop this new shit, then it's on, I'm off to them races. Yeah, lanky as a motherfucker, rap game Jack Skellington. I will surely blow up soon, that's what I've been telling them. Most of the time I'm lurking in New Orleans like a pelican, walking in a party dapper, looking like Duke Ellington. Yeah, always wear a latex when I skeet. Got Balenciagas on, I got your paycheck on my feet. Rappers hit me up for tracks I need.